Let's solve this question. A 5-letter word is formed by choosing letters from the word misanthrope. How many such words have 3 distinct consonants and 2 distinct vowels? So this is the word misanthrope. I am writing consonants and vowels separately. So consonants are M and I am writing vowels here. Vowels are I, S, A, N, T, H, R. So O, P and E. There are 4 vowels and 4 and 3, 7 consonants in this word. Now it is asked that how many such words have 3 distinct consonants and 2 distinct vowels. So a 5-letter word is to be formed by choosing the letters from this word such that this number has 3 distinct consonants and 2 distinct vowels. So let's just make a 5-letter word by choosing 3 consonants among these 7 consonants and by choosing 2 distinct vowels from these 4 vowels. So selecting 3 letters from these 7 different consonants is done in 7C3 ways and choosing 2 vowels out of these 4 vowels is done in 4C2 ways. So now this is the selection part. This is selection of 3 different consonants among 7 consonants and selection of 2 different vowels out of 4 different vowels. Now so I get this 5-letter word. Now I can arrange these 5 letters in 5 factorial ways. So this is the total count or the total number of words. So this is total number of 5-letter words, total number of words. It becomes 7C3. 7C3 is 765 divided by 3 factorial, that is 6, into 4C2, 4 3 by 2, and 5 factorial is 120. 6 get cancelled. This is 2 times 6 and 5. 30 into 7, 210 into 120. It becomes 00, 2 and 25. So 25,200 are such words that have 3 distinct consonants and 2 distinct vowels that are made out of this word misanthrope. So correct answer to this question is option A.